that you dream of, dreams really do come true. Ooh, someday you wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind. Be where trouble melts like lemon drops, high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow. Bluebirds fly, and the dream that you dare to, oh why can't well, I see trees of green and red roses too. I watch them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Well, I see skies of blue and I see clouds of white and the
Okay, so in response to the question of if there was any interesting stories that Columbus told, the one that I know of is the story that he told to his crew about how long they were actually on board and how far they were traveling. He kept 2 journals, one of them underestimating the distance that they were going because he wanted to keep the panic level down for the people on his crew. It did those 2 journals that he kept, one with the accurate distance and the inaccurate distance, did an okay job of keeping the panic down until about a few days, until the day that we hear about, when the crew landed in San Salvador, Bahamas. It was a few days before that. The crew was getting ready to mutiny, actually, and Columbus said just 3 days. He sighted some birds that figured were land birds and turned the ship further south towards latitude, and they landed in San Salvador, Bahamas, which is disputed, actually, which exact island. There's a fun party for Columbus Day in San Salvador. Maybe also they landed on Watling's Island. We can all go there and find out for ourselves on another cruise. Nice to meet you. I'm Tara Buckler. Believe. Have a good day.